guys, and welcome to Believer Trader. And when I'm a big follower of PR Sundar, and he has a very good integrity, and that's why I have when he has posted PR Sundar by SEBI on that video, I have just posted that integrity of this man should not be doubted. And immediately thereafter that I got a notification that thanks for watching from the PR Sundar. He said that text me on WhatsApp on this number. So I immediately messaged on this WhatsApp number. It is +145 something, and when it has came back to me with some other number, it is said that this is PR Sundar and have many subscribers, and I wanted to decide to help you. And I said that yes, okay. And I said namaste. I have a profitable trade and I want to share with you. Okay. And I just doubted that are you a PR Sundar? Then why you are asking? And he has shared me one video, one photo, where it says that yeah, obviously I just okay, I just continued with that. Okay, he is PR Sundar like that. And when he was started, he has just made some sense that he is busy and he will talk to me afterwards. And he and his members are currently working on crypto, and he will be helping us. And he has said, you can see that what he has said, that they are making daily 2,000 to 7,000 daily on crypto. So all those blah blah they have discussed with that. And one more thing is that when I have seen that, okay, you can see that this photo, okay, I've seen that DP here, this one, and I just asked that is she your wife? Okay, you can see that is she your wife? And he said that okay, that's my beloved wife, and it's that DP, she is in USA. So, and again she says, shared some one of the people's reviews, and they are continually asking me some to open an account with the said links she shared with me. And they're telling that, and they are calling in a WhatsApp call and used to ask that, okay, you have to fund some money and all those things. Okay, I don't think so the PR Sundar can do, sir, PR Sundar sir can do such nasty things. But the some trollers and who are giving a bad name to this person, they are doing this one. And I want to make this as a caution to all who are getting this kind of a traps from other peoples. And I want to tell these things to PR Sundar sir also, that these peoples are making a lot of nonsense, and they are tarnishing your good humor and good integrity of yourself. Please do care of these people and come out with one of the videos, so that no one should have a trapped in this kind of a circle. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you.